Hello guys, welcome back to S Learning. So in this video we are going to see how can we find sum of even and odd digits from the given number. So let's start without wasting any time. So consider this given number 1 2 1 2 1 2. So we have to find the sum of even and odd digits from this given number. So sum of even will be 1 1 1 1 4, and this 2 is appearing 4 times, that is 7 times, so it will be 8. So sum of odd digit will be 4 and even digit will be 8. So we are just passing this number to our function in which we will write main code. So this sum of digits is our method, okay, function, and we are just initializing with two variables that will store the count of sum of odd digits, and one will store sum of even digits, and in the end we are just printing. So in between this we will write now logic. So first thing we will check, we will run this traverse this number till it's get the n is value get 0. So till while n is not equal to 0, we will just traverse through this whole number. Okay, now consider one variable int temporary variable, and just assign this number to this temp variable. Okay, so now modify temp with temp mod 10. I will explain you why we are writing this once we write the whole logic. Okay, so now if we'll check temp value %2 is not equal to 0, then this will be our odd case. So we will just sum up this temp value in this sum of odd digit variable. Okay, just copy this and add this number to sum of odd digit, this temp value. Okay, and else is if temp mod 2 equal to 0, then we will just sum up that in sum of even digit. Okay, now once this is done, we will just divide the number by 10, n equal to n by 10, and we have already printed this list out. So if we save and run this, so you will see the sum of odd digit 4, and here I think, okay, sum of even digit. Now if just save, even digit is 8, and if we just try to give any other number, I will explain you the code. Okay, now if I run, so you see odd digit is 15. So let's see whether it is correct or not. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, and even will be 4 plus 6 10 plus 8 18. So our output was correct. Okay, so now the logic is that I will just show you with the help of debugger. Okay, now I will just give this point here, debug point, so you can understand the main logic. Okay, so now n value is 3 4 whatever we have given here. Okay, now if I just resume it, and we are just printing this assigning this value to temp now. So now temp will be this value. Okay, now we are just doing mod operation and by 10, so temp value will now be 8 because we have did mod. So now it will take up this value from last. Okay, 8 by 2 divided by 2 will return 0, so it will add this sum of even digit plus temp. So now it will be even number. Okay, so it will add this in sum of even digit. Now we are just I will just create debug point here also. So we will divide the whole number by 10. So before it goes in while loop again, we are just dividing number by 10. So now n value will be less 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see, yeah, 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now it will go on repeating this cycle. Now if we just resume, temp value is now 34567, and after doing mod operation by 10 it will contain 7 last digit. Okay, 7 mod 2 is not equal to 0, so it will add in this case. Okay, as it is odd number. So this is how you can write the code to print the sum of odd and even digit. I will again show you one more example with passing any random value 6767667, and if I save and run, okay, terminate. Okay, I will just stop the debugger now. So 28 and 24, so 6, what input we are given, 6 4 times 6 and 4 times 7, so yes, the output is correct. So I hope you got the concept, and if you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. Thank you.